Lazy pizza day. Steak and blue cheese. No fancy meat this time, just a cheap cut of steak. I'm gonna slice it. And I used 2 steaks, but we're gonna use half of the cut here. And look at that, it's beautiful. Now take a look at this. Baby bell peppers. They're really sweet. And we're gonna make rings of it. And we're gonna put that on the pizza. Let me know in the comments what you think of this. And if you like it. Or if you have suggestions. I'd like to hear from you. I made enough for 2 pizzas. And what is steak without some garlic? Delicious. I put some olive oil in a cast iron skillet. I put the meat in. And I'm gonna sear the meat. I seasoned it with black pepper and Himalaya salt. Now comes the garlic. Steak and garlic. Man, I really could eat this right now. But hey, we're making a pizza, so let's continue. I also added a white onion. And we're gonna saute it with the steak and the garlic. Now the steak is ready and we're gonna make our blue cheese sauce. First, I'm gonna put in some red onions. And we're gonna saute that for a bit. For this sauce, I'm gonna use some heavy cream. And we're gonna mix that. Now comes the blue cheese. Give it a good mix and let it incorporate. And let it thicken. And I put some chives in. I used some extra black pepper. Here comes the lazy part. You know the drill. First some Parmesan. Now comes the blue cheese sauce. And really spread that out so that every piece of the pizza is covered with the cheese. Now we put the garlic steak on. And you can put it on however you like. I'm trying to make it look pretty. And don't forget to put the white onions on. Now adding the bell peppers. The yellow one, the orange one, the red one. Oh, they're so sweet and delicious. I also chopped some parsley and put it on. And for now I topped it off with some Parmesan. It's oven time, 50 minutes at 200 degrees. Let's do this. Now look at that. Perfect. And I topped it off with some chives, because I love chives. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. If you're new, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell so that you don't miss any of these amazing dishes. And as always, thank you for watching and see you next time.